Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly minimize any file or any apps into your Windows 11 by using your keyboard. If I turn on the on-screen keyboard for showing you a better view, like I'm going to type on screen keyboard and click on open, and you can see on screen keyboard is opened. And now if I want to make it a little bit, and if I going to open this file explorer, you can say open the file explorer. So I will going to minimize it. You just simply press your Windows key, then you just need to press the M, and now your Windows is minimized. And how you will going to restore it? Press the Windows key another time, press Shift another time, and then click M, and you can see your file is restored. By this, you can simply quickly can minimize any of apps and you can simply open them. Also, you can minimize it another way by if you just press the Windows key, and if you just press the arrow key or click the down arrow key, you can see it's minimized. And if you just press another time, you can see your this screen is minimized. You can press another time the Windows key and take it into right side, it will looks like this. Click the arrow up, it will looks like this, and if you just click it on the right side, it will looks like this. So this is how you can do, or you can simply quickly can minimize any apps or any folder into your Windows 11 by using keyboard. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.